Make laundry day easy with this eco-friendly washing machine from Candy, which has innovative technology and clever features. It has a rapid 1600 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 8-kilogram drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. The KG detector uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means the machine can work out just how much water, time, and energy it needs to use throughout the cycle to get your clothes clean. So, you can look after your clothes and save on your utility bills without having to lift a finger. Candy's innovative 3D wash system combines a specially designed drum and powerful water pressure for amazing cleaning results. The clever shape of the drum and paddles means your clothes move around more than they would in a standard model. And because the water pressure is stronger, even the thickest jumper will get a thorough wash. Now your favorite clothes will always get the best care and an incredible clean. If you're looking for an eco-friendly washing machine with innovative technology and clever features, this model from Candy is an ideal choice.